So students, welcome back. There is a demand from many of my students that they don't know how to find out that sine 30 degree is going to be half or cos 30 is going to be root 3 by 2. Those values, the students always get confused. So tan 45 is going to be 1, sine 90 is going to be 1, sine 0 is 1. How do we remember those values? So there's a technique, there's a trick. So let me just teach you that. And you can see the videos again and again till you master it. So please watch this. How do we find out the values? Let's take the values. So first we'll write 0. Which are the values we need? We need for 0, we need 30, we need 45, we need 60 and 90. These are the values which we will mostly require for any of the sums and which you are supposed to memorize. I'll suggest don't memorize, but use this trick. I'm sure you will be able to remember all the values of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, whatever, whichever. So first we write down the angles. So the angles are given as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90. So these are the angles which has been given. Below 0, we write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that. Below the angles, I start, since it's 0, I start writing the 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is the last number? Last number here is 4. So divide everything by 4. Divide everything by 4. What do we get? 0 by 4, we'll get it as 0. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. But when it comes to 2 by 4, the chances of cancelling is there. So it'll be 1 by 2. Here there is no chance of cancelling. So 3 by 4. But again, this can be cancelled. So I write down as 1. Next, you take the square root of all of this. So when I take the square root of 0, square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 by 4. Square root of 1 is how much? 1. Square root of 4 is how much? 2. So 1 by 2. Again, square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 is a rational number, so it will be root 2. Square root of 3 will be root 3. 4 will be 2. And what about square root of 1? Square root of 1 will be 1. So this is the value for sine. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 is half, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is 1. So we got the value of sine. Now we got the value of sine, we can easily find out the value of cos. Just the opposite of it, right? Since we got sine, take it to the opposite. So this will be 1. Here it will be root 3 by 2. This will be 1 by root 2. Again this goes down, 1 by 2. And this is 0. We got the value of cos. Now to get the value of tan, there is a trick. Tan, actual formula of tan is sine by cos. Sine by cos. Sine divided by cos, the value is for tan. Now here, 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is going to be 0. So we write down here 0. Now here, half divided by root 3 by 2. We know when it is divided, the sign will change. So what are we getting? 1 by root 3. What about the next one? Same way, if you divide 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, if you multiply root 2 by 1, cancels this and this, it comes out equals to 1. Similarly, if you see, this 2 will get cancelled with root 3. Now, what is the last one? 1 divided by 0. We all know 1 divided by 0 is going to be infinity. Remember, any number divided by 0 is infinity. Infinity or not defined. You write it as infinity or not defined. So you got the value of 10. Now, after 10 comes cosec. Now, cosec is a reciprocal of sine. What is the value of here? 0. So it will be 1 by 0. Just take the reciprocal of it. So it will be again not defined or infinite. Here, take the reciprocal of this. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 means 2. 1 has no meaning. Root 2 by 1. So it will be root 2. This take the reciprocal. 2 by root 3. This will be nothing but 4. What about sec? Just the opposite way you write it. This is 1. Right here 1. This is 2 by root 3. Right here 2 by root 3. This comes out equals to root 2. Right? This is going to be 2. And this is going to be infinity. That is your sec. And what about cot? The reciprocal of 10. You don't have to do it reciprocal of this. Just write on the reverse of this. This is infinity. This is root 3. This is 1. This is 1 by root 3. And this is 0. So once again, I'm repeating. Once you get the value of sine, by using this technique, cos will be just the opposite of what is the value of sine. If sine is 0 is 0 here, then 0 becomes the value for 90, cos 90. So what is the value of sine 0? That is same value will be for cos 90. Then 10. Whenever you find the value of 10, you will divide sine by cos. So whatever values you get, that will be for the sine and cos. Divide these two values, you will get the value of 10. What about cosec? The reciprocal of sine. How you find out the reciprocal of sine? 0, 1 by 0, it becomes infinity. So 2 by 1, you know upside down, that is reciprocal. What about sec? Reciprocal of cos. But we don't have to find it. Once we get the value of cosec, write on the reverse order. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2. And cot, write the reverse of 10. Because cot will be the reciprocal of 10. So using this, I'm sure you will be, if you practice again and again, you will be able to find out the values of these values. You'll be mastering these values. And believe me, this is what you should do in the examination. In the rough page, write down this particular template. It will be very useful for your exams. Thank you.